Không thể đâu, tổng thống nói là này đi ra sinh hoạt được, mà na không cho làm sao mà làm mà phải làm mới gặp được cái lúc đó, rồi lần thứ giờ sẽ cái đó không nghĩ là anh là
welcome our distinguished guests on this very day for the concern you have shown for this group of people.
mình đã cho sáng tạo lên cái đó là con cái đó, tức là cũng ngầu là cái là của và nó cũng được cái này chỉ là lắm này.
I would never imagine that our dignitaries today would find time to meet these people, these DPT Maram people.
Maram plan the Maram Zalet work like a Pakanda, very typical Marama, we have
The entire present Maram generation all comes from the ancestral village called Maram Kulen.
That's a I go on like that.
Till now, we follow the ancestral customary practices. We follow lunar calendar, and in the month of either December or either in the month of January, the naked wrestling used to perform at the ancestral village Maram Kulen.
Kung saan sa bukang gram tidak miras sa bukang gram zaman na katapang ay pa patabu ngau sa bukang kata inai wo kung saan sa let roy takan tulen ma eta dukung la sa langkap untuk bisa pun bisa boleh kata bisa sa kami tahu lah efek itu tahu lah.
So this festival called naked wrestling, which is the mother festival of the Maram DPT group. It is before performing the naked wrestling, we prepared months and weeks, and we abstain from female. Moreover, to perform, to ensure that the kids perform naked wrestling very well, they are given, they are fed well, and moreover, in this season, they are taken to village spring, village pond to sanctify throughout their life deeds.
I got a couple of I come out the thumb conversion the thumb conversion in the computer la de something. No not do no la ranki do hung book yang some that is book to the hanging to the book yang ki do hung langja hang is resort of the because of the
So in the month of November, since the festival is in the month of December, when we see the lunar month of November, all male folks, they are supposed to abstain from spending time with the respective wife. And then, as before sir was saying, during this season, all the boys, all the village males will spend their time in their respective local places.
Brahmana ranki do rasa samal ke bigis rasa dolane bigis yes pagu do kata apa do itu do rasa kapun di bidang bola ranki do rasa dolane.
So this maroon house forms a very important center of the villages. Every clan, every group of the villages will have their respective maroon houses, and in these maroon houses, they will train, they will discipline the young ones, and then in this Murung house, which is the center of social, cultural, and traditional educational center of the respective Murung houses, in these Murung houses, they will even discuss something secret, even waging war against other community.
That's like the community Malay. Not the district number of plan, and Kider or no other
So, of course, it will be very hard for our sir, both the sir, to visit Maram Kulen, but I request the entire Slapti people, whenever you come and visit this Naked Wrestling Festival, we won't let you go with empty-handed.
Something like that, did not want to be something like that. So 라고도 드릴래 한국도 한국에서 한국에.
So thank you both the sirs for listening to us, and we shall pray for the success of your endeavor.